Now the whole idea is to continue to make this program. You can see that this is very repetitive. So in programming, we don't want to have, the goal is not to have as many blocks as we can. The goal is to be efficient. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it take off. I'm actually going to, in addition, I'm going to put up a little fly up because it was a little bit close to the table. So I'm going to fly up and then I'm going to go into loops. And I am going to put this in the fly forward and yaw right. Okay, so fly forward, yaw right. In order to make a square, I'm going to do this 4 times. And then I am going to land. So the same block of code we had there. So this was 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Now I can get rid of all of these blocks of code and I can actually just run this program instead. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. And at this point, I'm going to hope that it takes off and runs it. I'm going to try it once more. I'm on Wi-Fi right now, so we are going to connect back to the drone, which it says it's connected. We are then going to go to the 3 bars and we are going to launch mission. And let's hope it goes. So the nice part about this is you can see the blocks actually highlight as it's running the program. And that allows you to kind of know that it's going, but also know where you're messing up if you have a mess up. Okay. So most important thing here. So you have this. In order to save this, we need to make sure that we connect back to Wi-Fi. So connect back to your student Wi-Fi. I'm on staff. So once you connect back, then this will allow you to save. So now we're connected. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to save mission. It has been updated and I named it test. You can name it practice or whatever you want to. What I need you to do now for part 2 is to create so that it does a star. So again, if you go back to the practice, basically you're starting at a spot, you're moving forward, you're turning, you're moving forward, turning, moving forward, turning, moving forward, turning, moving forward, turning. You should see, or you should hear a kind of repetitive pattern in there. So your block should be similar. You just have to discover the angle. If you have trouble discovering the angle, there is a link up here that will help you figure that out right in here. Okay, so this will help you understand what angle to turn. And then I need that videotaped, the star as well. So one for the square and then one for the star. Make sure you're showing the drone blocks code for each of them. Okay, good luck and happy flying.